I know that you're going to absolutely love using this software. The software is super, super easy to use. And you can use the software with ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. It doesn't matter which free AI you use. These prompts work in all of the different free AI platforms out there. So I'm going to take you through and show you how to use this software. So right below this video is a link that will take you right here to the Mass Persuasion software, where you will get access to the prompt engine software that contains 70 plus built-in techniques related to persuasion, manipulation, and propaganda that you can use during any of your marketing campaigns. And all you have to do to use the software is pick which technique that you want. For instance, if I want to run a normalization of pain campaign, and it can be related to, let's say, Forex trading. All I would do is enter a product or keyword right here and click on Generate. This will give you all of your different prompts right here. And then all you would do is you would just read what normalization of pain is all about right here. It gives you a summary with examples. And then what you want to do is plug this first prompt into your AI. So all you would do is come down here and click on Copy Prompt. Then you can head on over. We're just using ChatGPT. And then we are just going to put this into ChatGPT, and it will start running and creating content related to this prompt. Now, if we want to create other content based around this, a blog post, for instance, all you would do is click on Copy Prompt. And then after this one is done running, then you would just run this other one by just plugging this in and then clicking Go. And it's the same thing for any of these other ones. So you could do human writing style if you want to rewrite all of that with a more human tone. You could do that. You can have this create blog post titles by simply copying and plugging that into ChatGPT or whatever else. Create sales page headlines, call to action, marketing emails, Facebook posts, image generation. So what you do in regards to image generation is you just copy the prompt and then you put it into the ChatGPT, and it will give you 5 different image prompts. Now, what I do with this is I simply copy one of the prompts, and then we could go to a free image creator. Right here, I'm going to Ideogram.ai, or you can use this with any other free image generators out there. And then all I'm going to do is paste that in and then click on Generate. And then you will see that this right here will begin to generate different images for you. So basically, this entire system is all copy and paste. You just select which ones of the different techniques that you want to use. And you can also go through and just click on Generate, and it will generate different ones. So if you want to see what these are all about, then you could just go through and click on any of these, and then it will automatically change this prompt right here, and then you would just begin creating content. So you could go through all of these and just clicking Generate if you have the same keyword, and it will always just keep generating different things for you. So if I go back to Ideogram, you could see right here that now it's complete. And then that prompt right here produced all of these different images that we can use. Okay, so you can use any of these, and this is totally free to do using Ideogram. So that's how you use this software. It's very simple to use. You just basically just copy prompts and choose the techniques, enter your keyword, and you are good to go. So if you have any questions on how to use this software, just hit up the support email address, list on your Warrior Plus receipt, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. But definitely implement this into your business. This is absolutely awesome. The content that this generates, I mean, it's going to surprise an awful lot of you. And this is just so much, it makes your campaigns, just makes everything so much easier because you don't have to think about it. You can run over here to this Mass Persuasion software, choose your technique, and then the campaign is basically done for you using free AI.